Strano. Oo naman, mabait yan eh.
Kiss mo nga si Ryan, kiss mo si Ryan.
Si Kaichu. Kiss mo nga si Ryan. Si Kaichu. Oo, mabait yan. Dito ka lang. Si Ampergalidad. Ampergalidad. Ayoko sa kanya. Si Kuya Dani.
Happy 10 years anniversary, Smart Bro.
Hello, happy anniversary, happy 10th anniversary sa inyong nagtapos nung 2014-2015. Sana maging matatag ang inyong samahan sa barkada. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone! Kamusta naman ang lahat dyan? Happy 10 years anniversary. Wow! 10 years na kayo magbabarkada. Sana all. Kamusta sa lahat ng mga mayayaman na dyan, ng mga naging estudyante lamang. Sana mag-donate kayo sa Bundles of Joy sa December. Happy anniversary sa inyong lahat. At sana maging mas matibay pa yung pagsasamahan ng inyong barkada noong high school hanggang ngayon. Thank you so much. Miss you all. Bye.
Hi guys, how are you? Miss you so much. Congratulations wherever you are. Whatever happened to your batch, alam niyo na yun, I really miss you pa rin. So sana one day magkaroon tayo ng time ng get together with your other teachers. Take care. God bless.
Happy 10 years anniversary from your graduation of 2014. Good luck and be safe.
Hello, good morning guys. I am Reynard's mom and happy birthday to your friendship, to all of you. I don't wanna tell your name, each everyone, so you know that, and especially my son Reynard. And I'm happy for you, all of you guys. I hope you have a good health and good life in the future. And yun lang. Happy ako kasi you went to my house last week to invite my son to celebrate your friendship. Happy anniversary and happy birthday to your friendship. All of you guys, mabuhay kayong lahat. I love you all.
Hi guys! Hello! Kumusta kayo dyan? Ayan, mag-enjoy kayo. Happy 10th anniversary, Smars Bro. Ingat kayo. Enjoy. Nawa, tumagal pa ang inyong samahan, tumagal pa ang inyong friendship. Bye-bye! God bless!
Hello everyone sa mga Smash Bros. Happy Friendship Anniversary. Wish ko lang sana kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa, stay connected and love each other and always be kind from your Tita Nora.
Years Smash Bro.